Hello guys, today we make walnuts oil. I cannot make it in traditional way because it's too complicated, but I can teach you how you can do it now at home with the oil press machine. I am practicing with the oil press machine because when it's the time I will use it to make extra virgin olive oil, but today we can use the nuts. In Italy, in different regions, when they grow in abundance, they will make it in a traditional way. Now nobody is doing anymore in that way because with the machine you can collect more oil. At that time they will ground the nuts, roast it a little bit in a pan. In this way they will be soft and you can collect or extract more oil, and after they will press the nuts and collect the oil. Now we will take our nuts, we will bake in the oven preheated at 130-120 Celsius degree for 10 minutes. After we will put them directly in our oil press machine and make the oil. Now they are roasted, we can press them. If you break the nuts with your hands, it will be easier for the machine to work the nuts. Please don't throw the scrap from the nuts because you can make a kind of peanuts butter. This one will be walnuts butter to spread on the bread, but also you can make walnut sauce for the pasta. We do it in Italy with directly from the nuts. So I will post the video about it in the future. So don't throw it. From 1 kilogram of walnuts, we collect half liter of oil, more or less, because after the oil will be divided for the sediment and will be clear, but we need few days for that. Plus 1 jar of pesto from nuts, or cream nuts, is the part that remain here in the filter that drop before they drop inside the container. I collect it, and here is the fiber of the nuts. If you mix them, they become like a powder or flour. You can use when you make some cakes or for the bread, or like I will do, mix these dry nuts with the cream to make a cream for the pasta. Okay, see you in a few days to check our oil. After 24 hours you can see the division, and after 3 days is very clear. I cannot wait anymore, I want to taste it, so I put the oil in these 2 small bottles, perfect for a spectacular gift. Spectacular. I taste it only with bread, but you can use it to season other food. like a fresh cheese is perfect, or even better, raw meat. You can find a video here on the channel of the raw meat, spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you taste already this kind of oil, let us know down in the comment, and also if you have some advice how to use it, because the advice are always appreciated. If you use with cheese, not like with this one is my homemade cheese that I saved the curd, but I season it with rosemary, so it's too strong to match with the walnuts oil, so you need a fresh cheese. Like this one without the rosemary would be perfect. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Spectacular. You can really taste the walnuts.